episode number 4 of Turning Myself Into. So in case you're new here, on this series I turn myself into a different celebrity every time. We're not gonna look exactly like them, but the main idea is to recreate their makeup, the hair, and wear something similar. I have already created HAILEY BIEBER, MADISON BEER, and LEAH HALTON. I will have the videos in the description box down below in case you want to check them out after watching this one. So in today's episode I'm gonna turn myself into the one and only Kendall Jenner. She's a very beautiful woman. I really like her face, I really like her features. She's gorgeous. So this is the look that we're gonna try to recreate today, or at least we're gonna try to get as close as possible. She looks amazing. I really like her makeup. Her face looks very lifted. The hair is very Kendall Jenner. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the hair. We're gonna do the sleek ponytail. It's a very easy and quick hairstyle if you know how to do it. This is one of my go-to hairstyles, I would say. I wear my hair like this pretty much 3 or 4 times in a week, honestly. Also, in case no one told you, this hairstyle looks amazing on greasy hair. So when you have greasy hair and you don't know how to style it, definitely go for a sleek ponytail or a sleek bun. So this is the brush that I'm going to use. This is a perfect shape for sleeking your hair back. So I'm gonna take the back of the brush, and the first thing we do is to make sure that we have a really nice clean middle part. So next we're gonna split the hair here in the front. This is how you're supposed to split it. We're gonna keep this here in the front, and the same we're going to do on the other side. I'm not really good at explaining hair, so I'm gonna try to do my best. So we're gonna keep these front bits here. I usually take a hair tie and tie them here in the front. And now with the rest of the hair, we're gonna create a ponytail. Again, I'm gonna take this brush and I will sleek my hair back. Okay, now I'm gonna take another hair tie and we're gonna tie it very well. If the ponytail doesn't give you a headache, it's not tight enough. Okay, so here we have the ponytail. It's very sleek and tight. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this product. This is a really nice hair gel, just a tiny bit, only here on the back. And now it's time to play with these front bits. Okay, now with my brush again, I'm gonna take this side first and we're gonna tie all the hair back together on the same ponytail. And the same I'm going to do on the other side. Make sure that you keep the middle part very clean. Make sure that everything is slicked back and you have a clean middle part. So now we're gonna take the second hair tie. Now I'm gonna go back with this product. Okay, the hair is nice and tight. Now we're gonna move on with the makeup. So when I do my makeup, I always start with the skin first and then I do my eyes. But today I'm gonna start with my eyes because I don't want to risk ruining my face. So on this picture, Kendall wears a very nude brownie eyeshadow, and the perfect palette for this is this one right here. It has all the perfect brownie nude shades. Okay, so I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this. This is the Morphe M441, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. I will take just a tiny bit first, and I will blend it very lightly on my crease. Kendall has a cat eye, so we're also going to create one. So we're dragging the product out like this, and also I'm blending it here on the outer corner so you can create like a V here. So I'm creating an S like this and a V. This is how I have it in my mind. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush like this, and I will take this lighter shade up here and I will blend it all over my lid. Right now it looks kind of messy and ugly, but we need to trust the process here. Also, one of the reasons that I don't like to do my eyes first and then my skin is because the eyes never look good with the bare skin. And now I'm gonna take the fluffy brush that I used at first and I'm gonna mix these two colors, these two shades together. And I wanna add a little bit more depth here in the front. Next, I'm gonna take this highlighter and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner a little bit. So next for the eyes, we need to do eyeliner, and if you know me, you know that this is my enemy. I'm not really good at doing eyeliner, I'm not gonna lie, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I'm gonna use this Wonder Skin Longwear eyeliner. This is such a good product. It's a longwear eyeliner, so that means that it stays on for hours and hours and it doesn't smudge. Also, I found this product so much easier to do eyeliner. So if you're like me and you're not really good at doing eyeliner, I highly recommend this one right here. Okay, so this is the best I can do with the eyeliner right now, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna curl my lashes and we're gonna move on to mascara. This mascara was everyone's favorite, and I must say that it's still everyone's favorite actually, because it's such a nice product. I used to wear this mascara every single day. Honestly, I don't know how many times I have bought this mascara. It is so good. If you haven't tried this mascara yet, honestly, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Just run and buy this mascara. So Kendall on the picture wears false lashes, and I don't usually wear false lashes. I usually just wear mascara. But today I wanna try these individual false lashes. I just wanna do a couple on the outer corner because I think that they will help with the cat eye and they will lift the eye a little bit more. Okay, so I think I will do 2 or 3 of those. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So I have already done my skincare routine off camera. This is how I usually prepare my skin before I put any makeup on. And now I'm gonna continue with this Glow Enhancer by L'Oreal. This product is going to give us a really nice glow and a really nice color. You can also use it on your body. It looks really nice. This is what it looks like on. Look at the glow, and also we have a little bit of a color, like I said. I'm gonna use a little bit more and I will put it here on my chest. And just look at the glow. This product is really good. You really need this in your life, trust me. So Kendall's face looks very lifted and we're gonna do the same. I'm gonna do the underpainted technique. I've talked about this makeup technique many times. This is the perfect technique if you want to lift your face and enhance your features. So I'm gonna start with concealer. I will do a little bit here. Also have to be very careful when I go close to my eyes because we don't want to ruin them. And also I will mix my concealer with this corrector. I put just a tiny bit here in the middle. Mixing your concealer with a corrector gives you a really nice coverage and a really nice under eye color. So I'm gonna take my Dumb Beauty blender. I'm keeping the product mainly here, but also I'm blending it out a little bit. Next, we're gonna contour the face, and I'm gonna use this one right here. I have a big forehead, so this is how much I do. And also I like to put it here on my temple. This again will also help with the lift. Of course, here always. And the jawline. And I usually create very lightly a circle on the tip of my nose. This is how I contour my face. And again, I'm gonna take my Dumb Beauty blender and we're blending the product in and out. So next I'm gonna use this cream blush. Kendall has a really nice warm pink color on her cheeks. So we'll go straight to my face and I will place it here on my cheekbone like this. I know that it looks like a lot, but once you blend it out, it will look really nice. So we're not going to do foundation today, but instead of that, we're going to use this tinted serum. This is also another favorite product. I use it every single day when I don't want to wear foundation and I don't want anything heavy on my skin, but I still want to look presentable and I want to have something on my skin, you know. So I will take this brush, I will take a little bit of this and I will put it on the areas that I didn't put any product. I don't want to cover the whole face. I just go very lightly. Next, I'm gonna take this pressed powder and also I'm gonna use this triangle applicator and I will set the area under my eyes. I wanted to set the area under my eyes because we're gonna go back to this palette and we're gonna put some color on our lower lash line. Kendall has very full dark brows. I'm gonna use this brow pomade by Refy. This is what it looks like. So it has more like a round shape. I'm gonna keep them like this for now and then I will fix them. I tried to fix my brows a little bit because I think I went too dark. I'm gonna take this cream bronzer. I'm gonna give a little bit more color on my forehead. And a little bit here. I'm gonna go back with my highlighter and I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose. And a little bit here. I'm gonna go back with the powder and I will put a little bit under my cheekbone. Okay guys, we have the lips and we are done. I'm gonna take the Wherever Walnut Lip Liner by Makeup Forever. So I think I'm gonna use this lipstick right here. This is where it looks like. Okay, I am not really sure about the lips. I think I will put on top this one. This is where it looks like. I will put it a little bit here. Does it look better? I don't know. Okay guys, so makeup is done, hair is done. Now I'm gonna go and change into something black and I'll bring it back to show you the final result. So I changed into something black and also removed all my jewelry because she doesn't wear any. She only has 2 silver earrings, I think in her left ear, but I don't have anything similar, so I will just leave it like this. I won't wear any jewelry. So guys, this is the final result. So guys, that's all I have for today. If you're still here with me, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I am really happy with this transformation. Please let me know what you think. I really need your feedback. Also let me know who celebrity is going to be next. So I'm gonna close this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want. I will hopefully see you to my next video.